Hey guys, so in this video, I want to show you how you can make money with Go High Level. So if you don't know what Go High Level is, I'll try to sum it up. It's probably the most amazing tool if you're running a business. Whether your business, in order to function, needs leads, you need to communicate with them, you need to build website, landing pages, you need to have a CRM, a pipeline, certain automations that simplifies your processes, things of this sort. Go High Level has every tool you will need to fulfill those tasks. So this is their website. You can have a free trial with the link in the description so you can try it out for yourself. It's a very great tool, right? And I've made a lot of money with it, and I want to show all the ways that you guys can make money with it. So first of all, let's start. Why choose Go High Level? Because there are over millions of businesses that need a tool like Go High Level. So for example, a lot of businesses need CRM and pipeline management. A lot of businesses need to create their own sales funnels. They need to build their own website. They need a platform where they can do email marketing, call tracking, they need to book appointments. These are all features that are inside Go High Level. So as you can see here, there's a full list of features that are inside Go High Level. The platform that already provide this type of services, but Go High Level replaces them and their relative cost here. So with Go High Level, you will have all of these features here in an all-in-one package for $97. Whereas if you need, for example, these three features, which are CRM, sales funnels, and a website builder, if you go with different tools, you end up paying $99 plus $297 plus $29. And that's around $425, which is insane, right? And this is what most businesses are paying right now, because they do not know the existence of Go High Level. There are millions of businesses that need all of these tools and are paying all of these different expensive softwares one by one. So there are millions of businesses that need Go High Level. Another pro of Go High Level is that they offer a white label option. So what does this mean? This means that you as an individual, as a freelancer, as an agency, you can take all of these features that they offer here and you can offer it to your own clients with your own branding. And in sales calls, when you present this type of solution to a potential lead, they will love the idea. I can assure you that 80% of the businesses out there don't even know that a tool like Go High Level exists, and even if they knew about it, they don't have the willingness or the technical skills to learn it. They may understand that it's useful for them, but if you brand it and target a specific niche, they'll find so much value in it and they will gladly pay you to use your software, which is a white label version of Go High Level. The revenue to cost ratio is insane. This type of tools can cost you anywhere between $97 to $497 a month. Now, the $497 a month is for if you want to white label the platform. Later on, I'm going to show you how you can sell it for $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month, or even more. Having the opportunity to have all of these features here, brand it with your own branding and selling it as yours just for $500 a month, it's insane. I will invite you guys to test it out for yourself. Use the link in the description. You have a free trial, right? Just navigate through the platform, see how it works, and have a better understanding of it. Okay, and then High Level opens a lot of opportunities. With High Level, you can build a skill set that you can sell as an agency, as a freelancer, or you can even work with somebody and use that valuable skills that you've learned from using Go High Level and offer it to another agency. You don't have to build your own business if you don't like that route, but if you're more entrepreneurial, you can build your own agency or go the freelance mode. So it opens a lot of doors. Now I'm going to show you 3 ways you can sell Go High Level. So the first is selling Go High Level as an agency service. So this is you go out there to contractors, to small businesses, you offer to build them, for example, their website, and you build it on Go High Level or on your own version of Go High Level, because remember, you can also white label it. And with this method, you're selling Go High Level as an agency to these businesses, because as we saw earlier, Go High Level offers a lot of tools, a lot of features, and there are millions of businesses out there that needs them. Now, an example of brand that's built on Go High Level that does this is Stone Systems. So these guys work with contractors. They build websites and marketing for contractors. And what they simply do is that they have this pre-made template of of website. They'll just customize it a little bit for each contractor, and then they just plug in a system for these contractors to automatically get leads, communicate better with them, and make more money. These are some of the features that they offer, and this is a perfect example of selling Go High Level as an agency service. You have a service, in this case, website building, and then they attach Go High Level in the backend. They keep the contractor retained with the Go High Level system. If you go on this route with one client, you can charge anywhere between 1 to 3K, depending on what you can offer. This is the first option to use to make money with Go High Level. You can sell Go High Level as an agency service to contractors, small businesses, anyone who pretty much has a business where they need leads, they need to communicate with leads, they need to book appointments, and etc. etc. The second way you can sell Go High Level to make money is selling it as a SaaS model, software as a service. Here, the difference is that you are selling your own version of Go High Level, your branded version of Go High Level. You are selling it to a specific niche of businesses, and an example of this is Buildable. So Buildable is a SaaS built on Go High Level. In their case, they are targeting info product businesses, and the features that they offer are Go High Level's features that they have rebranded, they have renamed, and they are targeting these info product businesses. Inside Go High Level, you can create and host your online courses. You can create and manage your community, and they're selling the solution for $127 per month. And this is a perfect example of selling Go High Level strictly as a SaaS, right? So if you click here, you will have 10 days free trial. There's no sales calls, and you can start immediately to use the platform. Now, this type of solution here, selling Go High Level as a SaaS, works amazingly, especially if you do not want to jump on sales calls. Okay, if you hate sales calls, this SaaS route is perfect for you. Now, you need to be careful because if you target like local businesses and stuff, they're not that technical, right? So they may probably feel so much overwhelmed with your platform. They will rather want like a custom solution. They will want you to build a solution for them and manage it. So the best case scenario is to combine these two, combining the agency service and the SaaS. So with that, you can have the higher charging rate of the agency, and then you can have the lean process of the SaaS business. But Buildable is a perfect example of how you can sell Go High Level uniquely as a SaaS to a specific niche. And if you go on this route, you're offering the platform. There's not a lot of customization. You can sell this type of solution for anywhere between $150 to $300 per month based on the niche that you're targeting and what you're offering. Now, the third and unique solution I used is becoming a SaaS partner. What does becoming a SaaS partner means? This simply means that you will partner up with an industry expert in a specific niche, an industry expert that already has an audience, so someone who's already selling like a course or a coaching program. And what you will do for them is that you will build them their own white label Go High Level SaaS solution. This solution, you will end up selling it to their audience, because these industry experts over here, they don't have the time to build a SaaS solution, right? Their focus is on either creating content or fulfilling the coaching service. If you offer them to build them their own SaaS, which is branded with their own branding, and they already have the audience, their audience will need the SaaS. You create a win-win situation for everyone. And then you can get anywhere between 20 to even 40% of the recurrent revenue that comes in from the sales of the SaaS, okay? From the monthly subscriptions of the SaaS. This is the model that I use, and I was able to generate over $50,000, as you can see here. You see it in euros because I live in Europe and we use euros. And these are some of the screenshots of the transfer that I received. In my opinion, if you are a beginner and you do not have a lot of budget to put into ads, you are young, you're not that confident, you don't want to go straight up and build your own thing, I believe that this is the best model you can use to start, right? Because all you have to do is learn the basics of how Go High Level works, reach out to an industry expert. It can be in any field, right? I really recommend info products B2B info products, whether it's like a real estate coach or a small business coach, someone who teaches people how to build a cleaning business. You can really get creative with it, right? All of these people are industry experts and they all have an audience. They're already selling something to their audience. So if they come up with their own SaaS that they offer as an addition to their current program, it will not feel strange to people because they've already purchased from them. So this means free traffic for you. You do not have to go out there and look for clients who use your SaaS. You're leveraging an existing audience built with years and a lot of budget put into marketing by this industry expert. And plus, you will be generating him more money, right? Because the Go High Level platform is an amazing platform. It works. And once people start using it, they're going to stick with it for a long time. It's a win-win situation for everyone. It literally costs you zero to do this. Whereas for the SaaS model, you will probably have to spend on ads, spend on Go High Level. Same for the agency service. We're probably gonna have to spend on ads, jump on sales calls. I understand that can be annoying sometimes, especially if you're starting in the beginning. So I really recommend to go on the SaaS part-time model. But if you're more confident, if you have just a little bit of budget that you can allocate to ads and try it out and test it out for yourself, and you want to go out there and maybe you have experience in a specific niche and you see that Go High Level features are useful for your niche, go for it. You understand your niche, take advantage of the white label option of Go High Level, rebrand the software with your own branding, and then offer it to your niche and start charging $150, $300 per month, or offer it as an agency service and charge anywhere between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. So this is how you can make money with Go High Level. If you want to learn more on these 3 type of business models, make sure you join my school group waitlist. Link is going to be in the description. I'm going to reveal all the source there. I'm going to go into more in-depth details. I'm going to show you how you can market organically to get leads, how you can leverage paid advertising, and all of the secret strategy that you can use to build a successful Go High Level SaaS. So if you guys are interested, join the school group waitlist so you'll be the first to be notified when I launch it. And make sure you take advantage of the free trial of Go High Level. Link is still gonna be in the description. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure you put a thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel, and as always, work smart, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.